Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to install SupRemo Remote Desktop. SupRemo lets you remotely access another computer over the internet. Let's begin. Search SupRemo Download. Open the official website. Click Download SupRemo for Windows. After opening the official SupRemo download page, take a moment to scroll down and review the software specifications and compatibility information. On this page, you can see that SupRemo is available for Windows and supports multiple Windows versions. Once you have reviewed the details, scroll back to the top of the page. Next, click the Download SupRemo button. The download will start automatically, and the SupRemo setup file will be saved to your computer. For the best experience, I recommend running SupRemo as an administrator. To do this, right-click the SupRemo application and select Run as Administrator. When the setup page opens, you will see two options: Run SupRemo and Start SupRemo. At System Boot. Option 1. Run SupRemo. For most IT administrators, select Run SupRemo and click Accept. This option is ideal for providing on-demand remote support and does not require permanent installation on the computer. Option 2. Start SupRemo at System Boot. If you need to access the computer remotely at any time without requiring the user to start SupRemo, select Start SupRemo at System Boot, Unattended Access. Enter a strong password, confirm the password, and then click Accept. I recommend enabling Start SupRemo at System Boot Unattended Access on managed devices and servers. This allows IT administrators to connect remotely whenever necessary, even when no user is logged in. The connection status shows whether SupRemo is ready to receive connections. Your ID identifies your computer, while the password secures remote access. To receive support, share your ID and password with your IT administrator. To connect to another computer, enter the remote ID and click Connect. I recommend creating a SupRemo account and signing in. To create a SupRemo account, enter your email address in the email field. Next, create a strong password that includes a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Re-enter the same password in the Confirm New Password field. Read and accept the EULA and DPA update by selecting the checkbox. Finally, click the Register button to create your SupRemo account. After registration, check your email inbox for the account verification message and follow the instructions to activate your account before signing in to SupRemo. After verifying your email address, you will be redirected to the SupRemo console homepage. From here, you can create groups, add computers, manage users, and organize your remote support environment. This centralized dashboard is designed to help IT administrators manage multiple devices efficiently. Now, return to the SupRemo application on your desktop and sign in using the account you just created. Enter your registered email address and password, and then click Login. After signing in successfully, your SupRemo account will be linked to the application, allowing you to access additional features and manage your devices more efficiently. You can now start using SupRemo to provide remote support, connect to remote computers, and organize your devices through your SupRemo account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to download, install, and configure SupRemo for remote support. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more IT tutorials. See you in the next video.